Hello. Same problem, huh?
Yeah, the fan is working, but the heating is no.
Okay, let's do some musical turnaround here.
This.
Okay. All right. Okay, so we got a Rheem. So go ahead and open that up. Okay, is there a code? Is there a code in the bottom there?
No.
Turn your thermostat up for me to heat, please. Oh, there it goes. Now what kind of code do we got? One, two, three. So last time I was here, it was right there. That's a new filter, and they just replaced it. Okay. Alright. So if we kind of roll out, I'm gonna have to check the gas pressures.
Is it coming on high limit or something?
Well, that was your rollout switch. Yeah. When I was here last time, the filter was plugged. The flames look good. Any CO reading.
Squirrel!
What are you doing?
Huh?
It's not good.
Me? Just hanging around.
Got a double draft hood. Yeah, that's melting. Way to turn this up. There's draft. That was rolling out. That would be blowing out. So it's venting good now. Yeah, it's melted. Let's go ahead and check gas pressures. Okay, zeroed out. Hit hold and hold it again until it reads 0. Okay. Okay, it's not bad. Let's turn that down a little bit. Shouldn't. I mean, it didn't look like it was rolling out before.
Look at that, just be from like a certain amount of heat or something.
Well, yeah, they're heat activated. So basically, if it rolls out, it'll trip that off. But by reducing that pressure, it won't be so forceful. So let's see what our temperature rise is now.
Where are we at?
110.5, 68.
42.5.
What is it?
42.5.
So it's the same. So we're move that out of the way. Set it down here. I can't. Okay, so we're looking for temperature rise. So that's 35 to 65. Yeah. Right in between.
Too bad.
No, we're not. We're still not LCO. Hold that up there for a minute. Just kind of in there, right there. Huh?
A little bit further back.
Yeah. my head. Okay, so let's turn that down. Go ahead and take this off. Yeah, go ahead. So this has been working good since the last time I was here? Just up until this morning?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this morning,
5:30, yeah.
I text you that.
Okay.
Yeah. That
Yeah.
time, like, I feel like
No,
like no light.
No burners, yeah. So I reset that. I reset that switch again. That was the same thing that happened last time. That's why I'm doing these extra tests, and there's no charge on it because you spent the last, it's been within 30 days.
Yeah.
I don't charge any more service calls, okay, within 30 days. So, yeah. Let it run down and then put that plug in. Nice and tight. Okay, put that green wire on. Yep. Last time I was here, I cleaned the flame sensor. So I'm going to take. Take the numbers down. Where's there. Okay, let me look at these burners.
It would usually roll out if
There's like a bad heat exchanger, plugged heat exchanger. Yeah, didn't go too bad. Let's look at that flame when that blower comes on though. It's a little movie, but nothing crazy. Not rolling out at all. I think at this point, yeah, I have to talk to somebody regarding that.
see how hot those can get.
Huh?
See how hot those can get.
Well, I'm gonna look it up online.
Much later.
So, yeah, I wasn't expecting
Order
that
new
flame
rollouts.
rollout, and you know, you don't really expect a 14-year-old furnace for the heat exchanger to be bad. So yeah, the heat exchanger is bad. I should have did a combustion check the first time I was here. I didn't. You know, I am human. I make mistakes. But we were here yesterday and did a carbon monoxide check, and zero carbon monoxide. You've seen it. The flames lit off nice. And then today I replaced those rollouts. And then, oh my God, I just, within a matter of a few minutes, the flames started rolling out of right out of the burner box there. And that's what tripped the rollouts. So I guess takeaway of this is don't ever assume. Ask you me. So just do your due diligence and check things out. Like I said, I should have did my combustion analysis. I didn't do it, but I wish now I did. And I wouldn't have wasted some money on some parts. Rollout switches, they weren't very expensive. You know, my time because I didn't charge my customers anything for that. So yeah, takeaway is don't assume. Hopefully that helps somebody out there.